Welcome to TC Config Studios. My name is Joseph and I'll be your host for today. In this video, we're going to step through the certificate wizard. Now, if you're picking right up where we left off from onboarding the customer portal, you'll still be at this screen. In that case, we'll just click in Sign In to Microsoft 365 down here at the bottom. Now, if you had to leave and you re-logged back into the portal, you should come back to this exact same screen. If not, you can just click on the certificate wizard and it will bring you to this screen. So we're going to click in Sign In to Microsoft 365. We're going to click our admin account that we used to set up the portal. And now we need to give some permissions. So we're going to click on Consent on behalf of your organization. And we're going to click Accept. Now, authenticated that. We're going to click on Next, Generate Certificate. Then we're going to click on Generate Certificate. Now we're going to click on Create the App Registration. This is going to be installing an application into your tenant. And that was successfully done. So now we need to give that application permissions. Now this is the critical consent, as this gives the application all the permissions it needs to be able to provision the branding, policies in your environment. So we're going to click on our admin again. And yes, there is a lot of permissions there, but they're all necessary for this application to work. Go ahead and click Accept. And now we're going to verify that consent. So we're going to click on Verify Admin Consent. Now we're uploading that certificate that we created. We're going to be uploading that into the Azure Key Vault that is backing up all of the secrets and certificates that are with this application. Then we're going to test that it can read from Key Vault, and it does. So as you saw, we just stepped through that certificate wizard. It wasn't a whole lot of time to be able to do that. Now, in the next video, we'll be stepping through the branding wizard, and this is going to allow you to put some branding onto your tenant and also into the customer portal. Before we go though, let's go ahead and jump out to our Azure subscription. In this case, we're still in our Entra admin center, which is where we want to be. And as you can see, for enterprise applications, there is nothing new. But if we go back, whoops, I went too far. If we go back and we click on App Registrations, all applications, now you'll see that you have a new application sitting there called TC Config Backend. And like I said, this is the application where all the permissions sit and is necessary in your environment for us to be able to deploy the policies and also do the branding. Thanks for joining us today, and have a good day.